The Bugatti Motorhome concept, which is an exceptional combination of the tradition of hypercars and ultra-luxurious mobile living. Its design introduction and styling reimagining. Bugatti's high-performance DNA as a luxurious motorhome is the goal of this idea, which is expected to be introduced between the years 2025 and 2026. It includes the following: a body that is streamlined and aerodynamic, including a striking horseshoe grille, reminiscent of Bugatti automobiles and flowing coach lines that give reference to contemporary cars. A multi-axle chassis design, most likely with 6 wheels, with an emphasis on stability and grandeur, along with a striking, sculpted profile that is reminiscent of Bugatti's finest craftsmanship. Performance and propulsion system. On the basis of specifications that have been disclosed on a prototype, which is frequently referred to as the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome. Full electric vehicle, EV configuration for the powertrain price. Around $5 million in United States dollars, approximately 4.55 million euros, or 3.9 million pounds. This magnificent power highlights Bugatti-level performance, albeit it is optimized for finesse rather than brute acceleration. The exact size of the battery and its range are not given because they are not specified. Features and luxurious interior decor. While on the inside, the RV concept combines luxurious opulence with high-end functionality. A lavish living space is characterized by the presence of luxurious materials like as fine leather, polished wood, and handmade accents. Spacious layouts typically include of a lounge area, gourmet kitchen, full bathroom, and private sleeping quarters. These cutting-edge technologies include smart home integrations, top-tier infotainment, and ambient lighting that is evocative of the technology found in Bugatti's cabin. Considerations and advantages. Highest level of prestige, the epitome of the highest level of luxury and exclusivity. Cost is quite exorbitant, approximately $5 million, and it is reserved for extremely rich customers. A design that is uniquely Bugatti, an elegant and aerodynamic silhouette that has high-end finishing. Production is restricted, probably a one-of-a-kind or extremely low-volume commissioning job. Full electric vehicle power ensures a driving experience that is both quiet and of high quality. Service requirements that are more specialized. Maintenance that goes beyond the typical RV care. Premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and expansive living rooms are all features of the ultra-luxurious interior. Being of an impractical size may present difficulties in terms of maneuverability, parking, and compatibility with campgrounds. Final thoughts. The Bugatti Motorhome idea for 2026 is a statement of uncontrolled luxury that combines the design philosophy of Bugatti with the extravagance of mobile living. Whether it is a futuristic hyper-luxury RV or a VIP transit lounge, it reimagines what a motorhome can be, even though it is still more of a dream than a reality for the mass market.